Meaning of draughty.
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 Draughty. The word draughty refers to a space or area where cold air can enter, causing discomfort or a drop in temperature. It can refer to a room with poorly insulated windows or doors, or a space with gaps or cracks that allow cold air to seep inside. When a room or area is draughty, it can be difficult to maintain a consistent temperature and may require extra heating or insulation. Drafts can also cause discomfort to people sitting or standing in the affected area, and may contribute to health issues such as respiratory problems or allergies.